In the previous video, we learned how to work with the file input widget. In this video, we're going to focus on something just as important, layout. Specifically, how to arrange elements on the screen using column and row in panel. Let's start simple. Right now, we're creating a layout where our buttons are stacked vertically, one on top of another. Think of this like building a list from top to bottom. Each button appears below the previous one in a clean, structured order. This is great when you want a natural reading flow, like a form or a menu. All right, let's run this and see what happens. As you can see, our three colorful buttons appear neatly stacked in a column, blue, green, and yellow, one under the other. Now you might be thinking, that's nice, but what if I don't want my buttons in a vertical list? What if I want them side by side? Great question. That's exactly where row comes in. Let's switch things up and place our buttons horizontally instead. This time, instead of stacking items from top to bottom, we are lining them up from left to right. It's like placing buttons in a toolbar or navigation bar. Each element sits next to the previous one in a straight line. Let's run this version and take a look. Now you can clearly see the difference. The buttons are no longer vertical, they are aligned horizontally, sitting next to each other across the screen. And just like that, you've seen the core difference between column and row. One organizes elements vertically, the other horizontally. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more powerful layout tools in Panel and take your Python web apps even further.